Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to get proper warm colors from your Govee Floor Lamp 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want a warm accent color behind in your corner. How do you actually get those proper warm colors? Now, this is already assuming that you've connected your Floor Lamp 2 to the Govee Home app. If you don't know how to do that, I have other videos on my channel going over how to do that. But click on your floor lamp 2 on the Govee Home app, and there's multiple ways that you could actually do this. The way that I do it is that I like to have color selected, and then I like to drag the color temperature all the way to the left, and I also like to set my brightness to around 20%. So there's no right or wrong way to set proper warm colors on your lamp. Additionally, Govee has built-in warm colors as well. So if you click on illumination on the middle of the screen, you can see that there are different color temperature scenes. So there's a relaxed scene where you can see that the temperature changes to a bit more white, but then its brightness is also set to 50%. There's a reading scene, there's an illumination scene, and then there's also a work scene, which is just a completely bright white light. So play around with whichever warm temperature that you like. Again, I like using the color mode and then setting it to the most orange and setting my brightness to 20%, just because I don't really want it to be so harsh in my eyes. And normally I turn on my lights during around sunset time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get proper warm colors on your Govee Floor Lamp 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.